create a new rubric or grading guide, click the Define New Grading Form from Scratch button. This video is going to cover creating a new rubric. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to give a name and description for your rubric. The description is not mandatory, but the name is. In this case, I'll write Research Paper. Below, you'll have the beginnings of a simple table. You'll just click to edit the criteria, and then click to edit the level. The only other thing that you'll need to do would be assign the points. You can add multiple levels and multiple levels of criteria as well. I will say that the text boxes for adding in criteria information are very small, so I would recommend that if you are using a rubric, you've probably already typed it in Word or another program, and I would copy and paste that text from there into here. Typing it in this box will actually be a bit inconvenient. Now we're going to do a bit of a time jump so that I can go ahead and update all of this without you having to watch me do each individual piece. I've now added 2 levels of criteria to this rubric in Moodle. One is ideas and one is support. We're not going to build out a full rubric for this example because we want the video to be relatively short. What I've done here is I want to show you 2 different things. The first is that you do have to have definitive point values for each level. You cannot have a range, it would have to be a specific point value, but the point values don't have to match between different criteria. The next thing that I want to point out is you don't have to have the same number of levels for each piece of criteria. In my ideas level, I actually have 5 different levels of proficiency here, but for support, I only have 4. When you're done with your rubric, all you would have to do is scroll down and click Save Rubric and make it ready.